Welcome to Demystifying Carnatic Music Theory, a beginner's guide. Carnatic music, originating from South India, is a beautiful and intricate art form that has captivated audiences for centuries. Whether you are a budding musician or simply interested in understanding the theory behind this enchanting music, this comprehensive guide is here to help you on your journey. Carnatic music, originating from South India, is a beautiful and intricate art form that has captivated audiences for centuries. Whether you are a budding musician or simply interested in understanding the theory behind this enchanting music, this comprehensive guide is here to help you on your journey. First, let's understand the fundamental building blocks of Carnatic music. There are 7 swaras, or musical notes, in this system: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, and ni. These notes are the foundation upon which ragas, or melodic structures, are built. Next, we delve into the concept of talas, or rhythmic cycles, in Carnatic music. Talas are intricate rhythmic patterns that provide a systematic framework for performances. They are based on mathematical divisions of time and are essential in creating the rhythmic structure of a composition. Moving on, it's time to explore the intricacies of ragas. Ragas encapsulate a specific mood or emotion and are created by a unique combination of swaras. Understanding different ragas and their characteristics is vital for any aspiring musician in order to create beautiful melodies. Additionally, we will explore the concept of gamikas, which are subtle variations of pitch that add depth and beauty to the rendition of a raga. Mastering gamikas is crucial for capturing the essence and emotion of a composition. Finally, we will touch upon the various forms of compositions found in Carnatic music. From varnams to kritis, each composition has its own structure and serves a specific purpose. Learning about these forms will enhance your appreciation and understanding of this rich musical tradition. We hope you found this beginner's guide to Carnatic music theory informative and insightful. By understanding the fundamental elements and concepts, you will be well on your way to appreciating and even performing this magnificent art form. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.